Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the hood emblem on a BMW E46. This is the replacement part that we got, and this is the number if you need it. It's made in Germany, it's the factory. We got it on eBay for only $8, brand new, and this is the number if you need it. As you can see, the old emblems, they tend to peel off, they start peeling really bad. So stay with us to see how we're going to replace it. All you're gonna need is an old credit card and a flathead screwdriver. So what you need to do first, you need to put the credit card on the front, underneath the emblem, all the way underneath it, like that, and then stick the screwdriver underneath it and pry on the emblem. And this one, as you can see, this one will come in pieces because they glue it together. They didn't install it the way they were supposed to. So we need to go to right here. In most cases they will not break, but this time they did. And come out of there. Okay, this is one half, that's where one of the guides goes, and this is the other one right here. You have to be careful not to scratch the paint. And when we install the new one right now, we have two guides that need to go right here. Okay, this is the new one right here. Those are the two that I'm talking about. So you need to line them with the holes and just push on both sides where the thing is, right there. And it should be firm. It shouldn't be loose at all, because if it's loose, you hit a bump or something, the wind, you're gonna lose it. And now there is a protective film on top of it that you need to peel off right there. And this is it, brand new. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.